Just as you thought you knew the best AI tools, along comes another. Dreamina, also known as Seedance 1.0, is the new AI video model from the makers of TikTok, and it's been getting some serious attention. But how does it actually compare to the giants Google's Veo 3 and Hailuo 02? Today I'm putting all three to the test using exactly the same prompts, and we'll see which one comes out on top. And on top of that, I'm doing it all within one platform, Dzine.ai, where you can use all three with just one subscription. So here we are within the Seedance platform, and within Seedance you go over to AI video here, and you have the option of image to video, and they've got a lot of models to choose from, and they've also got text to video here. And within text to video we have Seedance Pro, and it tells you the amount of credits it is per use, and Minimax Hailuo 2, as well as Google Veo 3. And you have a choice of lots of other models here as well. Within the image to video model, you also have options like WAN and frame pack. You've even got Runway Gen 4 Turbo within this platform too. So Dzine is an incredible platform where you can use all of these models within one subscription. So if you'd like to use it, check out the link below in the description. So now let's jump into comparing the three models' outputs for ourselves. So Veo 3 was very impressive, but also I found Hailuo really impressive as well in its consistency. It didn't have so much glitching in the video. But one of the funny things was that Dreamina had the cars jumping and doing all sorts of funny, fantastical things, but it was still a very good, high quality video, but looked a little bit computer game graphic-y. So out of all of those three, I would say that Hailuo did the best quality in terms of picture, but Veo 3 obviously putting in the sound effects and everything for you is fantastic. So one of the advantages that Veo 3 has over the other models is that it's able to create sound effects and dialogue in the videos with just the prompt. But one tool I found which can help you with that, and it analyzes that video and gives you 4 different options for using for the sound effects. So when you find the sound that you like, you can just click download and you get an output of that video with the audio. Wow, it's so hard to put them apart. 2 points for Google because it makes it easy because it adds in the sound, and 2 points for the others because they're so much cheaper and they both stood up to the same quality as well, especially when you add in the sound effects, including using the 11 Labs platform that I showed you. So I'm just going to show you some other outputs that Dreamina created as well, which are incredible. So which platform was better for you? Was it Veo 3, Dreamina, or Hailuo 02? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, and Google thinks that you'll like this video next, and I'll see you in that one.